This question describes a round trip, and at the end of the day, it's asking what percent of the total round trip was something. So when I'm asked what percent of something, I like to think of that something as 100. So in this case, I'll think of the round trip. The total round trip is 100. You can think of it as 100 meters, 100 miles, 100 kilometers, however way you want to think about it. But if the total round trip is 100, that means that each way is 50. The way there is 50, and the way back is also 50. Now we're told that this person went the whole way there, so that's 50 right there, and then went 10% of the way back. Now the way back is 50, and 10% of 50 is 5, so all in, the person traveled 55 out of a total of 100, and therefore the correct answer is 55%.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.